It's 1:10 p.m. transmitting live from the Tech Hub, welcoming our viewers from across the International School of London. This is Fox Media.
Good afternoon. A brand new after-school club has been launched. The exciting Inventors Club offers PYP students their chance to unleash their creativity and make things from scratch. The club was tried and tested just before Easter break, and it passed with flying colors. Alice brings us more.
As we know, learning new skills are the building blocks to success. Here at ISL, there are constantly new opportunities to do just that. The Inventors Club explores the wonders of creativity whilst overcoming hurdles along the way. I went to check it out.
What did you guys make today?
A magnet. At home, I normally use what I have and try and be creative and see what we need and see if I can use this stuff and make something. The last thing I made was a doll with chopsticks. I loved it.
Each week, our very own inventors will make new things whilst exploring robotics, programming, and much more. Mr. Michael, guiding students through the experimentations, told me that the Inventors Club takes learning beyond school hours.
This club is running after-school clubs and it's science-based experiments, so the children carry on learning even after school. There's over 100 different experiments to do. When the children have finished, they can take the experiment home with it, discuss with their parents. So it's a really cool way of continuing to learn, but playing as well at the same time.
The club develops not only technological skills, overcoming obstacles and problem solving, but it's also a chance to express yourself and build confidence. So the club takes students through a journey of making something from scratch, all the way to producing a final product. And what's more satisfying than that? Alice, Fox Media.
Next Friday, the entire MYP will have a building resilience assembly where famous Dr. Anisha Abraham will help you to tap into your strengths and work through obstacles. And to quote Nelson Mandela, "The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall." The MYP Video Game House Tournament kickstarted this week, with students from grades 6 to 10 playing FIFA and Mario Kart. And if you missed signups, you were there. Last week, ISL turned orange, as Dutch students celebrated Koningsdag, or King's Day. Students were off timetable and instead played traditional games in their bright and colorful outfits, along with some authentic treats. Speaking of kings, our very own will be crowned this weekend, and the entire country will celebrate King Charles's coronation tomorrow, in what will be a remarkable occasion. Till next time, goodbye.